Morning friends, this is Bhavik from Currency Advisor Desk, presenting the currency news updates for today. The Indian rupee declined further in its last session to close at its lifetime low of 61.65 as the bloodbath in local equities further capitulated fears of weakening domestic fundamentals. Now basically what happened in last session was that both the domestic indices, that is Nifty as well as Sensex, saw a huge plunge of around 4 to 5% due to the weakening domestic fundamentals. Now this further got rise of because of the weakening domestic fundamentals as well as the withdrawal of the US stimulus that is taking place. Now what is going to happen is, due to this depreciating rupee, there are chances that the government may further import different types of capital measures to control the rupee fall. So that is what has taken the FIS by a huge surprise. Now, however, with the finance minister clarifying that no further capital control measures would be in place, or in the near future there would be no such restrictions, rupee may try to find certain support, but I don't think so there would be much of the respite for rupee's fall. Now we also had the US housing and consumer sentiment data, which came in mixed, that is marginally below the consensus estimate. So chances are that the market are failing to get a particular clear direction so as to exactly get a point as to whether the US would cut down on the stimulus or not. Also, the US 10-year treasury yields are trading at around 2.8%, that is its 2-year high. Now this may prove as a big setback for trading in riskier assets like the Indian rupee. With both the US indices, that is the Dow Jones and the S&P, declining by about 2%, there are chances that further we might have a very uneven session as far as trading is concerned. The key events that we can watch out for as the US FOMC meeting minutes that is going to happen on Wednesday, and the PMI numbers for different countries. Dollar index currently at 81.38. Technical view for the August futures, USD/INR which gave a close at 61.99, overall likely to be bullish for today. Support at 61.52, resistance at 62.32. Action we suggest is hold long. For Euro/INR, overall likely to be bullish for today, which give a close at 82.79. Likely to be, we suggest this action is buy on depths. Support at 82.18, resistance at 83.21. GBP/INR which give a close at 97. Overall likely to be bullish for today. Action we suggest is buy on depths. Crucial support at 96.17, resistance at 97.49. JPY/INR which give a close at 63.58. Overall likely to be bullish for today. Action we suggest is hold long. Crucial support at 63.07 and resistance at 63.91. There are no major events for today. Thank you.